Meaning of decline.
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 Decline. Decline refers to a continuous or gradual decrease in something, such as the quality, quantity, or value of an object, service, or phenomenon. This can occur for various reasons, including economic factors, natural processes, or social changes. The result of a decline can range from minor inconveniences to significant consequences, depending on the context of the situation and the severity of the decrease. In some cases, a decline may be reversible through appropriate measures, while in others, it may be irreversible, leading to long-term effects on individuals or society as a whole.